The spotlight is on Bitcoin after the halving event, but altcoins offer unique features and potential returns. You can't overlook altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and emerging meme coins like Slothana and Doge. Altcoins influence market dynamics independently. Investing in altcoins can be an advantage in market conditions like now, right after the Bitcoin halving event. R100K uses a rebalancing strategy, AI trading, to optimize returns by capitalizing on the altcoin explosion. It balances investments between Bitcoin and altcoins dynamically to capture the best opportunities. Diversifying with altcoins can yield significant returns, enhancing investment portfolios. Click the link in the description to find out more.